Yeah. We're trying to make it to maybe the circle, St. Armand Circle. Yeah. All right, we gotta get a blistering pace going. We're gonna make it. This might be one of our longest videos. Whoa. I see electric skateboard up there. It's gonna be kind of hard. He's motoring. Yeah. Woo. I just rolled that when I was lazy. I don't want to drop the camera trying to jump. Oh, you got it. Oh yeah. Electric skateboard, huh? We're actually not far from the St. Armand's. You got it? Oh, I didn't see the Odyssey there.
I never believe we're going to stop until they do.
That's correct.
That's my rule of thumb. I have almost been hit, assuming they would stop.
Yeah, people.
So now I stop.
Make sure they see you.
They stop.
That's a good rule for street skating.
That's my little rule. I have a little rule.
They are a lot bigger and heavier.
They can't kill you. Like this guy here.
He's not even looking at us. Doesn't even see us. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are.
I stopped for that guy.
I see.
He wasn't looking
That-
at all. You can tell.
I know.
He had no.
He wasn't looking. He's focused on that parking spot. All right. Almost getting close to here to St. Armand's. Doing all right. We still have a blistering pace. Jazz is still, she's very cheerful. All smiles today. Hello. Waving at everybody. Very cool. We're gonna go have some Thai food after this for lunch. A special treat. You can hear them. TV cameras over there. It's a big deal. Sarasota. Yeah. Good job. All right, they stopping. Thank you. Good job. And we carry on. Beach is right there. Beautiful, beautiful day. Picking up some more speed. We got some wind behind us, I think, right now. Feels like. Yeah. It's always nice when you finish your skates with the wind in your back when you're tired. Hello. All kinds of people here. Nice thing about Florida. Yeah. Not really. There's some independents like flags over here, banners hanging up over on the pool side of the hotel there. We're getting close. You can hear the motors rumbling out there. Maybe. Take a look. Have a little look. At before, you gotta say it. I don't do it good enough. Maybe. Check it out real quick. You gotta walk out on the beach.
All right, yeah.
It's hard to get them. I'm not walking all the way out there.
Can you get in the shot?
Not really. Let's carry on. Come on.
All right.
Way out there, you can.
Way out there, big boats.
All right, let's go.
Big, powerful boats.
Let's go. Oh, we got some water. All right. Moving on up. Moving on up. Get some speed. We got the sweat glistening. Really blood pumping. Yeah, you can. Yep, I think you can. Pretty cool to be able to go to the beach and see racing, boat racing. Like these things, there's all different kinds of them out there, obviously, but the Geico ones, just there's so many Geico ones and the big team they've got, it's crazy. All right, here we come. We come up with some more people, beach goers. There's showers everywhere. You can rinse off. Very nice. Get the salt water off you. Carrying on through here. You get a nice view there. There's the beach. Nice view. Very lovely. you want to go up on that boardwalk? It's beautiful here. So many, lots of places to park. People everywhere. We're gonna mosey around these people. Yeah. I cut through. I cut through. I was a little crafty there. Shucking jiving. All right, we're coming up on the St. Armand Circle. There's beautiful houses all around here. Yeah, hello. Yeah, happy 4th, everybody. Hello. Lots of sticks. This is always a challenge right here. Sticks and sand and shells. Yeah, it's not hard. It's still, you can skate it. Yeah. Hello. These boats, these houses have their own boat slips. Very nice. Very, very nice. A beautiful day out here. We're sweating like crazy. See, these are those toll things I mentioned. It's not a big deal. It's not that bad, but you can go down further and park for free down by the beach. So, hello, happy 4th. And this, we're coming up to St. Armand Circle. It is such a nice place to come. Little restaurants everywhere, coffee shops, little bars. It's very cute the way they've done it up. There's a lot of art galleries, as I mentioned before. It's very artsy. So many places just to go and sit outside, just little cafes. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. They're doing hot fudge. Yeah, fudge. Ooh.
Fudge, candy.
It's nice.
Good stuff. Caramel corn.
Caramel corn? That sounds delicious. Wyland, an art gallery. Amazing art. Oop, stumbled in some sand. We're getting toward the end here. Hey, happy 4th. And we are coming up to the circle, St. Armand's Circle. They have car shows here a lot of times. All kinds of like little events. Very nice. But it's total skatable. It's really skatable. So, if you guys are ever wanting to come down to a place that's really fun, lots of things to do, consider St. Armand Circle, Lido Beach, Sarasota, Florida. It's a wonderful place. I've said it many times. And we'll end it here with Jazz displaying. It does look like my sister Rachel.
Yeah. All right.
Very nice.
St. Armand.
St. Armand. So what do you have to say? Anything?
Happy Independence Day weekend.
Yeah.
See you next time.
We'll see you guys later. Bye.